This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by BillGiesy. Last lot for sale in this beautiful subdivision. Gorgeous acreage ready to build. All utilities to lot including line to common septic drainfield. Install tank and septic is done. Quality common water system with 40,000 gallons of storage.Gorgeous property with just the right amount of trees and screening vegetation. Nice level building site. 11+ acre common area features 2 great ponds and an attractive gazebo. For more information, review the details below or contact BillGiesy at 360-378-7540.